See, if I brought the iPhone, it would have had the light on it.
I can give you a light if you want.
It's alright.
So you could stick it behind you there.
It looks pink on here, look.
Yeah, it does.
It's because I turned the brightness right down. Get that kettle on there.
Aye, I'll stick on in a minute.
Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh.
I've got the kettle on.
Huh.
How would you like, what degree would you like your cup of tea?
95 please.
Well, I'm sorry, I can only go up to 60.
You failure of an indecent man.
Sorry, that's what I'm programmed for. What can I do?
Cute.
And I can actually watch that twice.
I know.
You can see the live version and the live version to that.
All the people on the forum are going to be watching this, listening to that.
I wouldn't. Not really. I'll get wounded.
Nice cut off door, that.
It is a nice cut-off door, isn't it? It's a 3/4 panel.
Actually, it's more like a 9/10 panel.
9/10. That's what I call it.
A lot.
That sends you to sleep.
Anything sends you to sleep.
Yeah, listen to you.
Oh. Can be worse.
Tell me about it.
Don't know how you can even sleep though.
Don't know either. Quite comfy. Can't get the door to shut. Oh well, that'll do. This will block out part of the sound. Yeah, I think you can safely say it's got a lot of foam in it.
Yeah.
And I think the Borders Regional Council is going to have a headache.
Just a bit.
Might just be the fact that it's
What?
the lime scale it's had in it.
I don't know. I don't think it makes it go like that.
Well, the more it gets used, the better it'll get.
Yeah.
There's a phone going off.
I know, I saw it.
I quite like that micro hole drum.
Always prefer a spin killer.
Well, yeah, there's one in Glasgow.
I know. I was thinking about it earlier. If only I had space, I'd get it.
Because the guy in Glasgow advertised it as a Servis Millennium Quartz.
So the Titanic just sank.
And I've just, yeah, the Titanic did just sink. And I was thinking, it's like, wouldn't it not be nice to have the two sitting side by side?
Yeah.
Finally reunited with each other after coming to the factory all those years ago.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was going to phone him up.
Oh.
Remind me tomorrow to go and get my phone.
Again.
Yeah, again.
It's a 3-minute rinse. It was like a blooming jackhammer.
Well, the idea where